Okay, we're back. Okay, so we're gonna pull this fork off, get it out of the bike, get out of the way. I think we get my tool here to undo them. And it looks like we gotta pull the that off to use this manual with the crescent wrench. I don't feel like pulling the hood off. Yanking the bike too hard, ain't much holding it up. There we go. I figured they're already kind of loose, so I can work around the hood. We don't need the correct tool when we got loose nuts. Otherwise I gotta pull the headlight off. I don't want to do that. It'd be like work. Pull this nut here off also, and undo the pinch bolt. Jeez. That was tight. That was uncalled for. That's long-winded. I'll be here a while doing this. Oh well. Take a while. Hey. Is it all the way up yet? No, still in there. I feel like it's close though. There we go. Real fine threads. 1'24", takes a while to unscrew. All right. Tired now. Ah. Ah. Fingers are in the way. It's hard to hold on tools and pull stuff up with them. Oh, this one's brake line's in the way. Let's move the brake line. Move the brake line. More fine threads to take a while to go. After a while you should put your finger on top so you hit the face with a damn nut when it springs up and hits you. Or at least slows it down a little bit. Assuming there's tension on it. A little tension, not too bad. Real fine threads on that also. Okay, one more. 3 long-winded nuts take a while. All I did is put more tension on it during the front end drop. That's because there's nothing holding the bike up. Probably should do something about that before it drops all the way down the ground. That's how you fix that problem. You put 2x4 in there, hold it up in the air. There, that'll hold it up in the air a little bit. Not too bad. Of course, it'll be hard to get off the ground. Ugh. That's too much work doing it this way. I like the old-fashioned way of doing it. Just hang it off the end of the rack. That works good. It's hard on fenders though. There you go. Looks pretty good, see? Except I gotta hold it up now. Don't have enough weight in the back of the bike. Sliding over the side. Here, so it gets down about the ground level. Okay, so now you just hit the top triple tree with a hammer. They're held on with a taper, and of course once it pops it, the bike can drop off that way. So if you take a 2x4 and stick it on the back of the bike, it won't go bang too hard. Yeah, it'll slow it down a little bit when it hits. So the taper's right here, so we just have to hit it with a hammer to pop it, and it should come right off. This helps if we have someone else helping you, but yeah, whatever. Makes it more fun this way. It's gonna hit me in the head what it's gonna try to do. Not a big enough hammer, I guess. Whew. Great. More hammer. Bigger plastic hammer. There you go. Told you. Now that got hooked on the fucking anchor. Now we're leaking oil on the floor. Because it was all on fork. Just put it back on, oil and all. Reassemble that. A little easier. Yeah. I'll hold it for a minute. Now, something took off, probably the bearing. That stupid ass circuit breaker has caused nothing but problems. Day one. It still is. Once again, 2 people would be helpful, but we don't have 2 people, so we make do. Got a big oil leak on the floor now too. That's good. That's what flew away over there, bearing. So that's what took off, was our bearing. We needed that. Okay, now to put the fork back together, kick it a couple times. We got to get the thing all the way up in the height, and then put the nuts back in. Fun, fun, fun. So this has to go up, like that. And you put the nut in, like that. Of course I grab an oily one. Good. Whew. All right. Now it's taller. Now the grips will go over here. Once that wheel's out of my way. Rag disappeared too. All right, so there's a complete 73 FX front end. Anybody need one? Top to bottom. There you go. Everything except the bearing. It's over here. I'm not taking it back off to use it, so too much work. And it had oil in it too. See, it's leaking all over the ground. Ooh, it's even got a Harley Davidson gizmo on top. All right, well there's the biggest piece that we're not using. And of course we got everything over here in this pile over here we're not using. There's a lot of stuff we're not using. But we're getting down to good parts now. I think we're down to the good part. There you go. That's what we're keeping. We're going to build it back up from there. All right, let me get this finished up. We'll be back.